Kevin here. Welcome back to another video on MotoGP 20, and this is going to be the last video for today, and the third video back on the game as well. This is literally my first ever time getting back into doing MotoGP 20 again, because obviously it's been a while. It's been nearly a year since I played this, so I'm dipping my toe. Obviously I've done a video on that already. I've done a video of why it's been so long. So this one is about I'm back on the game, because obviously I'm now back on the game. And hopefully there'll be a lot more videos on it before MotoGP 21 comes out in 2 weeks' time. Okay, right. I'm gonna be Rossi for the final video today. Obviously, I like him. Obviously, in the new one, he's not going to be obviously on the Yamaha, so I just thought that I could be him. And you know what track I'm going to do? I'm going to do Mugello because obviously I like that one, and hopefully I'll be able to win. So the plan is, by the way, is I'm going to do 2 races on clear and 1 on cloudy. That's the plan, because at the moment I cannot win in the wet or in the rain. By the way, I can literally not win in the rain or the wet. So the plan is to do 2 races in clear and 1 race in cloudy. And if I win in cloudy, well, if I win on cloudy, then I'm going to be proud of myself. But we'll have to see how it goes. But I actually think that I'll actually win in the cloudy conditions. I think, to be honest, I think it'll work. So we'll see. But yeah, let's see. Fabulous Mugello. Hopefully, I'm going to go there at some point. Yeah, I'm going to go to Mugello at some point. When I do go abroad in the future. Yeah, I'm going to go to Mugello. I've been wanting to go. Like my friend went a few years back, but I want to go as well. So that's the plan in the future. I will go and hopefully see MotoGP racing. I know that I do want to go to Silverstone at some point as well. So obviously that's why they race in England. So I know that I do want to go there. But yeah, I know that I do want to go to Mugello and see them race there as well. So that's an idea. So hopefully that'll be an idea. Hopefully I'll be able to do that. Okay, right. Let's get on the way. Let's see how it goes. Right, here we go. Let's see how we get on. Here we go. Valet. Here we go, Valet. Let's see. Here we go. Right, off we go. Let's see how we get on. I think I believe I will be Valet in the first impressions of MotoGP 21. Trying to show which one I'll end up here. I'm not trying to show which ride I'll end up here. I know that I'll be one of the riders. I'm not trying to show which ride I'll end up here. I'll be one of them anyway. I'm not trying to show which one I'll end up here. God, not been a good start. I'm still in last. I know, yeah, by the way, guys, my new channel will be created tomorrow as well. And the plan is to upload 3 videos on that, so yeah, make sure you stay on for that. I'm not sure what time it'll end up being out on my new channel, but my new channel will be out officially tomorrow. Not sure what time. Obviously, I'll stay around for it if you want. If you're going to be on the YouTube website, and it will be out if you see it. Okay, right. We're still. I don't know how we're still in last. Okay, we've moved up the place. We're now in 23rd, oh god, 15th, just 15th, go, wide, we're doing that, he's gone down, oh god, I don't want to be banging into anyone. 16th, I'm at the points, don't really matter too much, if you want to say it's quick. Oh god, put the corner. I don't think I got a penalty for that either. I'm not sure if I got a time penalty for that. Yeah, I can't wait for the long lap penalty, by the way. So I'm going to be definitely testing that out. Oh yeah, I need to talk about that in a video as well. Because I haven't actually mentioned that in the video yet. So I think in the next MotoGP 21 videos, I'm going to talk about that. I haven't mentioned that yet. Oh god! Oh Jesus! Nearly close. See how close that was. Let's see how close that was. Wide. We're in 11th. Oh, come on, that's quick. Come on. I believe we should get the achievement here as well, I think. So I don't actually think we've done Magellan yet. Quite. So, yeah, I think I'll probably get the achievement here as well. I'm not sure if we did do Magellan. Did we do it in Korea? I'm not sure if we did do it or not. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. It's been a while now. It's been nearly a year, so I'm not sure. I'm not sure. No idea. No idea. I'm not totally sure. Just behind Fabio now. Oh, we've got Crutchlow. Behind Fabio now. Go to third now. Oh no, fourth, sorry. We got third off of Marquez. We can. We can. Oh, go. Oh, both of the Patronus bikes. Oh, we've now got Marquez and we've got Petrucci. Mia is in the lead. Where can we get him? Let's see. See if we can get him. What's the others? Right, one more lap to go. Let's get him on the brakes! Yes, we've got him. There we go. Right, we've got him right into the lead we go. On the final lap. Yeah, I don't actually think we've won here. I don't think. So, yeah, I don't think we've done in Korea either. I don't think anyway. But we'll have to find out. And if we get the achievement, then that means we haven't done it. 1.4. Oh, bit wide there. Oh god, 0. Oh no, I crashed! Okay, that was not supposed to happen. Oh my Jesus. Oh wow. Wow, that is not good. I was literally not expecting that. So I don't know what the hell happened. We for some reason crashed somehow. And yeah, so that is not good. But don't worry, we've still got 2 races yet. So we can do it in one of them, which is good, which is fine. I was literally not expecting that. I was not expecting that to happen. Right, are we even going to get any more position on? Should get 20. No! Oh, I shouldn't have done that. It's that thing again. I hate it when that happens. Right, we've got 21st. Yeah, I hate it when that happens. When you go on the grass like that, I really hate that. But Mia won anyway. It was supposed to be me, but I crashed. So Mia won. Yeah, I hate it when that happens when you go on the grass like that. Like, because it really slows you down as well. So yeah, I really hate that. I really hate that because it slows you down. Right, same again, here we go. Here we go. Right, hopefully this time, we'll hopefully win. Let's see if we will. And oh yeah, this is on the Xbox One, by the way, guys, not on the new one. I literally can't record on the new one at the moment until I've sorted it out, and then I can record on it. But I'm having a few lag issues at the moment with that. So yeah, when I have got it sorted, I will. Yeah, when I have got it sorted, then we can record on it.
We're moving to the starting grid where the cameras are showing us the riders concentrating.
Okay, right, next race. Here we go. Hopefully this time we'll hopefully do far more better than what we did last time. Right, here we go.
On to go now until the Italian Grand Prix here.
Here we go. Right then, here we go. We didn't win the first one on clear, but hopefully these two we should. Obviously, because in the last one I'm doing cloudy for that one. I'm doing cloudy for the last one. And that'll actually be in the thumbnail as well. Oh god. Right, currently made one place at the moment. Let's make more if we can. Oh, wide. Oh god. You know, nice goals back. Yep. Oh. Right, I got a bit of penalty for that, are you joking? Wait, I was on the curves. I didn't even go on the green. Oh wait, what? Right, you know what? Right, I'm restarting that. I'm sorry to say this, but I'm restarting that. Because that was not supposed to happen. I don't know how I got a bit of a penalty to that. I didn't even go on the green. So I don't know how that happened. Right, yeah, I had to restart in that because yeah. Right, never mind. Right, let's forget about it. I don't know how I went on the green there. I didn't even go on the green at all. I don't know how I got a penalty for that. I didn't even go on the green. I don't know how that's happened. I don't know how that's happened. Oh Jesus! I don't know how that's actually happened. But let's forget about it. Let's just move along. Currently in the points, 15th place at the moment. I'll now make 2 more points. Oh God, Jesus! I think I might have been a corner that nearly knocked me down. 14th now. Wide. Oh, no, I've lost the place. Let's get it back. There we go. 14th again. Even there. Tito Rabat's quite far up as well. 13th points. Here we are. Let's get more. Where's my teammate? Shoes in the lead. I'm actually tell from here. Well, there's Mia. He's not in the lead. I've seen him. Come on. Oh, teammate's got me back. Teammate's got me back. So 9th at the moment. Right, now in 5th. Marcus, I think. Marcus in the lead. Can we get the win? Hopefully not by doing that this time that we got on the final lap. Not by bumping into anyone as well. Oh God! Oh, that was not supposed to happen. Maturity's got me back again. Let's try and get him back on the outside, on the inside if we can. On the inside we go. Have we got him? Yes, we've got him. 4th place. Yeah, so yeah, that's where I crossed last time. Where that little green area was. And can we get? Is that Jack Miller or is that Bang Miller? Try and get Miller if we can on the brakes. Fabio, Marquez, not yet. Okay. Might be able to get Marquez on the final corner maybe. Pull at the final corner. We'll be able to get him on the final corner. I'll see if we're good around that on the outside. Oh, good through there. Can we get him now? Yes, we've got him. There we go. In the lead. There we go. Right. Onto the straight. Here we go. Oh, right behind me. Oh, he's going for the overtake. Here it comes. I'm on the brakes. I'm on the brake stop. Let's make it a clean final lap if we can. Probably going to have markers right behind. Oh wait, he's not even right behind us. Okay, never mind. He's not even right behind us anyway. No, that's fine. Yeah, in the final race, I'm going to try Claudia, see if I can win on that. 2.3 seconds. I think the gap's still just about 2 seconds. Oh, always caught up a bit. 1.6. Caught up a bit. I think it's because I actually slowed down a bit. Don't know why. Not gonna lie on it. Yeah, it's caught up a bit. Not many corners left. We're a bit wide there. Go. Here we go. There we go. 2 seconds again. This is really good. Final corner. Make it good. Don't slow down. There we go. Come on. Yes. There we go. Through. Here we go. With one. Hey. No, I think we should get the achievement. Yeah, there you go, Doctor. You do it. I think we've got the achievement. Yes, we have. There we go. Sky-ish first place. Not sure what that means, but there you go. There we are then. Right then. One more race to go. And right, this time we're going to try cloudy conditions, and let's see if we can win on that. We should be able to win on that because it is dry. It's dry anyway, so we should be able to win on that. So hopefully we can. Let's see. Race options, cloudy. Okay. Right. Let's see if we can win on it. Here we go. Right. Right, here we go. So I'm not sure when I'll be doing videos on this again. I believe I've got another week until, yeah, I've still got like another full week. So I'll try and do some more then. Probably maybe at the end of the week I might do some. I don't know. Probably like at the end of the week I might do some maybe. I don't know. I really don't know yet. Probably like at the end of the week. Maybe next weekend. Maybe next weekend I might do some. Yeah, probably next weekend I'll probably do some. I think the 22nd is on it. I think it's on a Wednesday. I think the 22nd. I think it's on a Wednesday, I think. Oh wait, the 24th's on a Saturday. Oh no, it's Thursday. 22nd's on a Thursday. So yeah, it comes out on Thursday. Yeah. Because with the pre-order, I believe I can play it about 2 days early. So I actually really don't know but I don't know. Anyway, right, can we win in cloudy? Let's see. Should be able to. Because it's dry, and it's just clouds in the sky, so we should be able to. Let's see. Made a good start. Oh, Nakagami's gone down. Right, we're still in. Oh, well, we were in 20th. Come back down to 21st now. Oh, no, not the start. Oh, God, no, God! I was not supposed to be banging into him. As I said earlier, no banging into riders. Oh my God! What a crash. Oh, wide. Oh, who was that? Was that Bagnaia? It's Bagnaia there. He's right far down. Don't know how he's far down, but there we go. The Ducatis there as well. Truty and Dobby. Okay. Truty's Dobby's in front of the Truty, and now they're together. Go. Get out of the way! We're now in 8th. We're doing really well, by the way. We're doing really well. But if we can win this race, I'll be happy. If we can win this race, then I'll be very, very happy about it. So Mia's not in the lead. Who's in the lead? Can't really tell from here. Can't actually really tell from here. Marcus, I think. No lag! No lag, don't come in. Not now, not now. Don't you dare come through lag, I tell you. I want to win this. It's the top 3. Quartararo, Vinales and Marcus. Marcus on the outbreak, I think, again. Gotta get him on that same corner that we got him on the last one. We got him last time. So it depends if we have a good run. Not too bad. But we've got him anyway. Right, into the lead we go for the final lap. And can we win on cloudy conditions? Oh God, Marcus is coming back. He's right there. God, he's looking back there. Here he comes. Gonna get him on the brakes. We got him on the brakes. We got him. Try and pull a bit of a gap from him again that we did last time. Oh, that's what we've done. Now we're into the lead. In cloudy. 2.2 seconds. So in the next videos, it'll be either clear or cloudy. I'll be doing the videos on. I'm not sure which one, because that means I can win, which will actually be good. Because ending in last place is not good. So that's why I want to do it in them conditions that I know. So even though on this MotoGP there's only 4, including random. So Right, not got many corners to go. Now we've officially won in the cloudy conditions. 2.4. Here we go. Cross the line. And there we are, we've officially won in cloudy conditions! As I said at the start. So literally in the wet we cannot win at all. So that is definitely one thing I'm not going to be doing early on. Definitely not. But anyway guys, that is the end of this video here. Hope you did enjoy. Yep, hope you did enjoy. And yeah, hopefully there will be some more videos on this. I will try and do that. Yeah, hopefully at some point there'll be some more. So yeah, hopefully I'll be doing that. So yeah, that is the plan. So yeah, I know I'm still a bit of a noob at the moment, but hopefully the more videos that I do, the more better I end up getting into it again. So hopefully that'll be the plan. But yeah, for now, thanks for watching, and I will see you later. Bye.